Okay. Yo, stop this, you know.
I want it.
No, I feel like you meant no. Why
But
you?
no.
Why are you so calm?
Hey, look at my face. Guys, before me get into the video, just want to thank everybody who support people like on my channel and say, yo guys, subscribe to this channel and actually do it. I appreciate because enough people are trying to think on YouTube and it's hard to get subscribers sometimes. So me that like for subscribe to Kina Burke, him link in the description. Is a youth him there Canada right now. Him I try to do a thing on YouTube and just I try to give him a little strength. You see, just wanting to get him to at least 1,000 subscribers. Him have like 400 now. It's sure no 600 people out of my 70,000 subscribers can subscribe to me. See it. Anyways, in the video, I'm gone.
The lime one.
Okay. She wants the lime one. Today we're gonna do spicy noodle challenge, right? She wants this one, but what she don't know is that I'm gonna put more pepper in a fair one, so I'm gonna prank her. This one is hers.
You can't sit too close now. I don't want nobody come at me in the comments.
From old line.
No shit, you're older than me.
So you could be like my daughter. Anyway, so today we're doing spicy noodle challenge. Woo! She said she want that one there. The green one.
It's hot?
Yeah, I'm put pepper in that to them.
Yeah, boy.
So the first man who starts with a body man.
Wait, so you guys start it now?
No, wait.
Wait.
Wait, I tell the rules. If you drink the apple, because we're gonna drink apple juice. If you drink the apple juice, we're gonna slam an egg on the loser. So if me lose, she's gonna slam an egg on me. If she loses, I'm slam an egg on she. First
Yo, I'm smelling it and my eyes are totally watering.
and so, we have the apple juice. I catch it right there, so. You see me? See your cup, yeah? Your cup empty right now, but when you're ready.
I'm not drinking no damn apple juice.
Alright, first person drink the juice. Alright, ready.
Alright. Wait, don't start yet.
Right, no. And if you start sweat,
I feel like you made mine hotter, you know.
bad man, I did everything fair.
Why the fuck you lying?
It's on camera. You can watch it when we're done.
Okay, alright. Wait. Okay.
Everything is, you can,
Okay.
when we video done, you can watch it.
Alright.
Alright, ready. Wait, no, this doesn't know me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. What do you feel?
It's not that hot.
Not that hot?
Not that hot.
Not that hot?
It's not that hot.
What the fuck?
I love spicy food.
Okay, drink the soup part, the liquid. Drink this.
Wait, not yet.
This is just hot, like not spicy to me, you know. It's spicy? Yeah? Okay. It's not that hot, yeah.
Wait. No, it was just hot. Let me drink. I'm gonna drink some of the water. Soup water. Yeah, I'm finna be shitting spicy. My asshole is going to burn me today, okay?
Oh,
What? You never yet eat spicy food and then when you shit it burn out your bottom.
I know that whatever that. First I eat my soup, eh? Feels good.
It's alright. It's not that hot.
Want apple juice?
No, I'm good. First person who drink apple juice about you, man.
Yeah, we go for more pepper, you know. Bigger one thing, car.
For real. It's not that hot.
For real? It's not that hot for you?
I mean, it's hot, but it's not that. Wait, my lip is burning off. My lip is burning off. My nose is sniffling.
Yeah, eat the
And should I drink apple juice? I was gonna take a little bit of apple juice.
Meanwhile.
Alright, so I'm add the same amount of dabs. Look how me I sweat, come smell the pepper. So I had to add more spice, guys. Look how me I sweat.
Zoom in from this way.
My goodness, already.
Whoa, no, brother, it's so red.
Stir it up.
It's don't need to know that. There's no say it red.
Put more in mine too.
So why is mine redder than yours?
But man, you don't look at the noodles. Mine is on the noodles in it. Yours is in the water.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2.
2, 3. Yo, no matter zooming from my face though.
You're the best. You're the best person winning, you know? How you feel?
My lip burning off.
I'm sweating.
Not sweating yet.
Sorry if you went to drink the water, then.
I'm not drinking water. Water make it worse.
Take it like a champ.
We have to drink the water?
Yep. That's in
Wait,
there.
so we have to finish the whole thing? Yo, this boy crazy. What? Wait, let me just take a sip. It's not that hot. Wait. Okay. Yo, stop this video.
I want it.
No, I feel like you meant no. Why
But
are you
no.
Why are you so calm?
Hey, look at my face!
Oh my god.
Look at my
You
face!
are just outside.
I am sweating.
Why are you so calm? You love spicy food?
It's so shit.
You
Bro,
know-
hey, dog, I'm gonna tell you something. I eat Chinese yesterday.
Okay.
Do you know how spicy it was?
No. You still have more than me.
Make you eat it up your faster. Like the pepper.
Because I'm not getting no egg in my head. The fuck?
Remember the first one who drink the water, you know? And who done first?
Drink the water. Oh, drink the apple juice. Oh.
But good still, this soft. It's not even sweat, this is just water that I sprayed to decoy sweat. Not even hot.
You have ice cream? You have ice cream?
In the freezer?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Could we really use the ice cream sandwich right now?
No, but for real, I am sweating though. You're good though. You're good.
Yeah, I'm good. It's just, it's hot.
Good shit. It's like nothing to me.
For real, this off.
Alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Alright. I know this make you joke.
I choke on the water, but I'm not choking on the pepper.
If me finish before she, me I get the secret prize. I'm gonna want it more than she.
What's secret prize?
Only I know what the secret prize is.
No, my lip is burning, but you know it's fine. It's alright.
Mm-hmm.
I'm basically done.
You have to drink the liquid.
No, that's the hard part.
What I've been doing, it really helps clear out your nasal, you know? Cause right now, I can smell everything. Birds and the bees. You know what I'm saying?
What? You can smell the birds and the bees?
Yeah. Look like I get ready for something.
Come on, guys.
I'm gonna help you.
So now, I'm going to drink soup water.
Dun 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 dun.
Okay, so now I'm going to drink soup water. Okay. You know, it's really like clearing out my nose. Like you hear I was sniffling, like my eye water a little bit, but
I smell the rainbows.
smell the bees and
Birds and the bees.
Why are you looking at me?
Love, oh, I know your face can bust a fucking sweat, bad man.
What? I'm not sweating?
You're not sweating, brother.
I'm Indian.
So like, Indian people not sweat. How the blood? How I go in a John shop?
We eat enough spicy food, isn't we? You need to stop drinking so fast. Can you just like give me a chance?
No, come on, just want to get over with.
Give me a chance, okay?
Just want to get over with.
Small sips, guys. Small sips.
So, what the bouncing for?
Bounce? You see me bouncing? I'm not bouncing.
Go and drink, man, you're good.
I'm not sweating.
Not a fucking sweat. I am amazed, brother. I am amazed.
It's cause you were near the stove. You were near the stove.
I am
Kettle.
nowhere. This has been running for 16 minutes. I am nowhere near the fucking stove right now.
No, as in you
My
were
throat
the one.
will have bun me. You understand?
You
So
were
I'm
the
upset.
one who put the water in it. You're finishing it too
I really
quick.
want to drink that juice right now. Let's do one gulp. Let's do one gulp. You look like you're a dead dog.
Because it's hot. My throat burning me.
About me.
Like for real, I'm taking it like a champ though.
Mine up. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, John.
I hate you. I really do. Wait, stop.
So
it.
I'm the champ. So I get to win. So I get the prize.
I hate you. I really do.
What you do? What you do? What you do?
I need to drink apple juice.
Oh, you lose? You done?
Yes. I
So-
can't say the word.
So, okay, alright, you lose.
Yes.
Yeah,
Wait.
come.
Let me. Wait.
I'm the champ. I'm the champ. Oh, God. East side, west side,
It's not as easy as it looks, okay?
south side, whatever side.
Shit was fucking hot.
Come, drop the egg in your head. Plus, me say, we're good for you and everything.
Yeah, protein. Can you like not put it in my hair? Like, can you just put it in my face?
I will be like, I don't know how you're gonna get it out, but that's your
With water.
business.
Water.
There's a bathroom downstairs. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, don't put it in my hair.
Drop an egg in her head right now. Right now. Who will finish first? Me or you?
Obviously, you finish first.
Alright.
Wait. Where's my hair? No, it's my hair.
We have to yourself.
I want to say.
Don't
that
touch me. Don't touch me. Come here. Come, what are you saying? I just want to rest it right here. What you saying? What you saying? Calm down before I fling it in.
Alright, I did my best. And subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Iheart Manii.
That's it.
Watch the fucking ads.
That's it.
Alright. Yeah, that's
Ready?
it. Wait, I'm not ready. Wait. Alright.
Why are you shouting,
Do
man?
this to my hair?
Mm-hmm. Ready? 1, 2 now. So you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Did I get out of your clothes, man?
Don't. Thank you.
Alright, go. Stop, okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my god! Bro.
Sister. I'm gonna have to clean that now.
Yes, you are.
Alright, wait, don't make a mess, just like.
Just stay right here.
Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Alright, come. Oh god.
Still outside?
No, come. Let's do a dip any. Come. Can do some?
What?
Maybe put more pepper in your.
Yo, this summer.
No, come, where's
King of pranks.
So the truth is, I didn't put more pepper. And it's there on camera, so now you look like a fucking idiot. Yeah, watch it. Good to hear and thing, you know?
Alright.
Good dog.
Good. You just gotta watch it out.
You ate prank, you see? What do you feel?
I feel like shit. I knew you put more pepper in mine. I felt like, yo, how mine's so red.
What's that? You know that I didn't even put anything in mine. Like there was none.
What? What?
Get it out of your middle, Russia. Yeah. So like I barely like it was like 1 drop of pepper in mine because made that estate. I never know if I can smell it or what. So you put the pepper in mine. But yeah. We get fucked.
Fucking weak. I should have tasted here. It's not fuck.
Good dog, you live.
You have a paper towel?
Fuck no, we go.
You good? You good, bro?
Go for it, man. See your ear, look up. Your ear flourish. Look like it a flourish.
My hair always flourishing.
No,
What
man,
you
the
talking
egg,
about?
man. So we just get pranked with the egg.
Shut up. My hair been flourishing.
Now you look like a handicap on my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Is it? Kayla, owe me some money, so shall I work for me now?
I don't owe you shit.